Take down. Start. Heard Learned Counsel for the petitioner and Learned Counsel for the state full stop. Petitioner has prayed for the following reliefs para to issue an appropriate writ/order/direction, in the nature of writ of mandamus, directing the respondent collector to release super splendor motorcycle bearing registration number AL5950, which has been illegally seized by the case number 554 of 2021, dated 13/10/2021, instituted for the offences under section 30A of the Bihar Prohibition and Excise Act, 2016 to grant any other reliefs or relief for which the Patna High Court CWJC number 21275 of 2021, dated 3/3/2022, petitioner is found to be entitled in the facts and circumstances of the case para. Learned Counsel for the petitioner prays that the petition be disposed of in terms of order dated 9th January 2020, passed in CWJC number 20598 of 2029, the state of Bihar, and subsequent order dated 14th January, 2020, passed in CWJC number 17165 of 2019, titled as Umesh Shah versus the State of Bihar and others, and order dated 29/1/2020, passed in CWJC number 2050 of 2020, Learned Counsel for the respondents has no objection to the same para. The Bihar Prohibition and Excise Act, 2016, hereinafter referred to as the Act, prohibits the manufacture, storage, distribution, transportation, possession, sale, purchase and consumption of any intoxicant or liquor, unless so allowed in terms of the Act, section 13, para. In addition to the penalty imposed for committing such an offence, section 56 of the Act lays down the procedure for confiscation of things used for in the commission of such an offence, the said section reads as under para. Things liable for confiscation, Patna High Court CWJC number 21275 of 2021, dated 3/3/2022, wherein an offence has been committed, which is punishable under this Act, following things shall be liable to confiscation, namely, para. Any intoxicant liquor, material, steel, utensil, implement, apparatus, in respect of or by means of which such offence has been committed, any intoxicant or liquor unlawfully imported, transported, manufactured, sold or brought along with or in addition to any intoxicant, liable to any receptacle, package or covering in which anything liable to confiscation under clause A or clause B is found, and the other contents, if any of such receptacle, package or covering any animal, vehicle, vessel or other convenience used for carrying the same, para. Any premises or part thereof that may have been used for storing or manufacturing any liquor or intoxicant or for committing any other offence under this Act, para. The word premises includes the immovable structure, all movable items within the structure and the land on which the premises is situated, para. Under section 58, power is issued to an order of confiscation vests with the district collector / authorized officer, who upon receipt of the report of the seizing officer detaining Patna High Court CWJC number 21275 of 2021, dated 3/3/2022 such property is required to pass an order. Full stop.